In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not preventing trackers on iPhone. First, let's open the settings on your iPhone. You can find the settings app on your home screen. It looks like a gear icon. Just tap on that icon to enter the settings menu. This action is crucial because the settings app is where we can control many aspects of your iPhone, including privacy settings. Once you are in the settings menu, you will see a list of options ranging from Wi-Fi to notifications. This step will set the stage for adjusting how Safari handles trackers, which is essential for your online privacy. Next, scroll down until you find the Apps section. Tap on that and you will see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Look for Safari and tap on it to access its specific settings. This step is important because it allows you to customize how Safari behaves, especially regarding tracking. By getting into these settings, you will be able to enable features designed to enhance your privacy while browsing. Now, look for the option labeled Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. This setting is vital because it helps to block trackers that follow you across different websites. To enable it, simply turn the toggle switch to the On position. When this feature is activated, Safari will work harder to keep your online activity private. You should notice a difference in your browsing experience as it limits unwanted tracking. Take a moment to ensure it is properly enabled. From there, let's tap on Hide IP Address. If this option is available, enable it to add another layer of protection from trackers. This setting is particularly useful as it helps mask your IP address from websites and advertisers, making it harder for them to track your online behavior. By enabling this feature, you enhance your privacy and security while surfing the web. It's a simple step that can have a significant impact on your online anonymity. Now that you have made these changes, it's time to reopen Safari. Simply find the Safari app on your home screen and tap to launch it again. This step is necessary because it refreshes the browser, allowing the new privacy settings to take effect. When you reopen Safari, you may notice it runs a bit smoother and with fewer interruptions from ads. This fresh start is crucial for ensuring that your new settings are active and working effectively. After reopening Safari, let's check the blocked trackers. To do this, navigate to any website of your choice. Once the website loads, tap on the page menu icon, which looks like two overlapping squares. Then select More, and from there tap on Privacy Report. This report will show you a list of trackers that have been blocked. This step is important because it gives you insight into how effective the changes you made are at keeping unwanted tracking at bay. You can feel confident knowing that your privacy is being respected. Note that while Safari's tracking protection reduces cross-site tracking, it does not block every tracker or advertisement. Understanding this limitation is essential as it helps you set realistic expectations for your browsing experience. With these settings in place, you are taking significant steps towards protecting your privacy online. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.